Just want to do a real quick overview of the addin Revit Lookup. If you're going to be doing any macros or add-ins yourself, any of your own development, really good idea while you're learning to use this tool. If you go to my downloads page, there is a direct download link for the 2017 version, the DLL and the add-in file that you need. But basically, with this add-in, you can go through and snoop the current selection, snoop the active view, the database, the application, events, and framework. So what I use it for all the time is if I'm trying to learn more about how to access the properties or parameters or the methods of an object, I'll just select, the object that I'm trying to, snoop or dig into. Click the snoop current selection, and then it gives me a list of information about that object. I can go into, for instance, the parameters here. First of all, I can see what I can access from the API, but I can also go into parameters, see what parameters are available, what their data type is, see if they're shared, not shared, see if they're read-only. So that's really helpful. You can look at the built-in enums. So this is by Jeremy Tamick. His website's The Building Coder. Very, very helpful for me. This has been very useful for me in trying to understand the object model for the Revit API. Now, this does not replace the API help document that comes when you download the SDK, and it definitely does not completely replace the object model when you're debugging in Visual Studio or in Sharp Develop. But I would definitely download this from my page or go to the Building Coder, download it from him. You can get access to Jeremy Tamick's GitHub account. You can download the source code and update it, compile it on your own. I'd definitely take a look at it, and as you're coding, see what you have access to.